Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have a special treat for all our vegetarian viewers. We'll be sharing 5 healthy breakfast ideas specifically designed for weight loss. These delicious recipes are packed with nutrients, flavor, and are entirely plant-based. So, let's dive right in. Our first breakfast idea is avocado and tomato toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread ripe avocado on top, and layer it with sliced tomatoes. Sprinkle a pinch of sea salt and cracked black pepper for a burst of flavor. This simple yet nutritious combination provides healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. For a protein-packed breakfast, try a vegetable omelet. Whisk together chickpea flour with water and add in your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and onions. Cook the mixture on a pan until golden and enjoy a delicious and satisfying omelet that's both filling and nutritious. Chia pudding is a fantastic make-ahead option. Mix chia seeds with your choice of plant-based milk, such as almond or coconut milk. Sweeten it with a touch of maple syrup or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Let it sit overnight in the refrigerator, and in the morning, top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds for a nutrient-packed breakfast that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Another refreshing option is a smoothie bowl. Blend together frozen berries, a ripe banana, and a splash of plant-based milk until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a bowl, and top it with sliced fruits, granola, and a drizzle of nut butter. This colorful and satisfying bowl is full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to kickstart your day. We have a tofu scramble. Crumble firm tofu and cook it with turmeric, cumin, and nutritional yeast for a savory and delicious scramble that mimics the texture of scrambled eggs. Add in your favorite veggies, such as bell peppers, mushrooms, and spinach, for extra flavor and nutrients. Serve it with a side of whole grain toast for a complete and protein-rich breakfast. And there you have it, 5 healthy vegetarian breakfast ideas that are perfect for weight loss. These recipes are packed with nutrients, protein, fiber, and delicious flavors to keep you energized throughout the day. Whether you choose avocado and tomato toast, a vegetable omelet, chia pudding, a smoothie bowl, or a tofu scramble, remember that a balanced breakfast sets the tone for a successful weight loss journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more vegetarian recipes and healthy tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.